How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out an absolute gorgeous 66 Oldsmobile Cutlass, clean California car, done in a slick Tuxedo Black. It's all show quality paint on this car. Very nice car. It's the original grille, headlight bezels and everything in excellent condition. Front bumper has been re-chromed. We actually have the black plate from California there in the front. See how slick, flat down the sides. Just a super nice car. Got the dog dish hubcaps on it. Just an absolute gorgeous car. The rear bumper's been re-chromed. It's the original taillights and taillight bezels and deck lid applique in excellent condition. Just gorgeous car. You don't see too many of these this nice. Solid cars, all original panels. It's got the original numbers match motor. They updated the ignition, electronic. It's got Edelbrock 4-barrel carb. We do have the original quadrajet that came on the car. It's got power steering. It's got power disc brakes. Heavy duty cooling system. They updated the transmission with a 350 turbo trans. We do have the original 2-speed that came in the car. It's been rebuilt. The interior, gorgeous Aztec interior in it. It's all the original interior with the exception of the front seat cover. Very good condition. Headliner looks good still. Original back seat, got the deluxe seat belts. There is a little bit of age on the seat, but still looks very good. It's got the fold down armrest in the seat in the front. Jams and everything in this car are very nice. Tell you, the paintwork on this car is just gorgeous. So all inside the trunk's very nice. Got the original jack, spare, it's got power antenna. It's got the optional retractable trunk light. All dash looks really nice in the car. They did a nice update with a direct fit AM/FM stereo with the iPod capability. The armrest got a little wear on the armrest there, original armrest. Like I say, for original interior and stuff in this car, it's just very nice. Fires right up. That's a good looking car right there. Got duals all the way out the back. Backup lights and everything work. Tell you, good car right there. I've driven this car about 80 miles myself. Thing runs and drives perfect. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com, or you can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.